Good morning, Andrew. Are you awake?
Hmm. I think so. Give me another minute.
That's what you said 5 minutes ago.
Really? Time moves differently before breakfast.
Good morning to you too. Did you sleep well?
Very well. I don't remember falling asleep. One moment I was thinking about dinner. The next moment it was morning.
Yesterday was a full day. We arrived at the airport, checked into the hotel, explored the food market, and you discovered how spicy the chili sauce was.
Do we really have to talk about the chili sauce again?
Probably. It's already becoming one of our favorite travel memories.
I'm glad someone enjoyed it.
Come and look outside. The city is beautiful this morning.
Wow. Look at that. The streets are already busy.
People are walking to work. Some are riding bicycles.
And the weather looks perfect. Blue sky. A light breeze. Not too hot.
A perfect morning for exploring.
After coffee. Everything happens after coffee.
You really love coffee.
I do. My brain doesn't completely wake up until the first cup.
Then we'd better find you a good café.
That's the best idea I've heard all morning.
Get ready. I'll meet you downstairs in 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Challenge accepted.
Andrew. Are you ready?
Almost. Where's my room key?
Check your jacket pocket.
No.
Your backpack?
No.
Your hand?
Oh, there it is. I've been holding it this whole time.
Coffee can't come soon enough.
I completely agree.
Good morning.
Good morning. Did you both sleep well?
Very well. Thank you.
Any plans for today?
We're going to explore the city. But good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Morning Brew Cafe.
Good morning. This place smells amazing.
Thank you. Fresh coffee and fresh pastries. That's the best way to start the day.
I completely agree.
Is this your first visit?
It's my second time. But it's Andrew's first visit.
I've heard great things about your coffee.
I hope we don't disappoint you. Please choose any table you'd like.
How about the table by the window?
Perfect. We can watch the street while we eat.
I like this place already. It's so peaceful.
That's why I wanted to bring you here.
Everyone seems so relaxed. Some people are reading books. Others are working on their laptops.
A good coffee shop can feel like a second home.
I think I could sit here all morning.
Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, please. I'd like a large latte.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Of course.
I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Certainly. Anything else to drink?
No, that's all for now.
Would you like to order breakfast now? Or would you like a few more minutes?
Could we have a few more minutes, please?
Of course. Take your time. I'll bring your coffee first.
She seems really friendly.
She is. Good cafes aren't just about good coffee. The people make a difference too.
I agree. A warm welcome makes you feel comfortable right away.
Exactly. That's one reason I came back.
Here you are. One large latte. One cappuccino. Please be careful. The cups are hot.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
That's excellent. Rich, smooth, and not too strong.
Feeling more awake now?
Much more. Now my brain is officially open for business.
That's good. Because next, we have to decide.
Have you decided what you'd like for breakfast?
Almost. Everything looks so good.
I can't decide.
Would you like a recommendation?
Yes, please. What's your most popular breakfast?
Our avocado toast is very popular. Many people also enjoy our butter croissants with homemade strawberry jam. If you're hungry, we also have a classic breakfast with eggs, toast, and fresh fruit.
Everything sounds delicious.
You just made choosing even harder.
I'm sorry. That's a common problem here.
I believe it.
I'd like the avocado toast, please.
Excellent choice.
I'll have the classic breakfast.
Certainly. Would you like your eggs fried, scrambled, or boiled?
Scrambled, please.
No problem. Would either of you like a croissant to share? They're fresh from the oven.
Fresh from the oven. That sounds impossible to refuse.
I knew you were going to say that.
Can we share one croissant, please?
Of course. Would you like butter or strawberry jam?
Strawberry jam, please.
Perfect. I'll bring your breakfast in about 10 minutes.
Thank you very much. I have a question.
Go ahead.
How did you find this cafe? It's not on the main street.
A local friend recommended it a few years ago. I liked it so much that I came back every morning during my trip.
Now I understand why. It feels peaceful. No loud music. No rush. Just good coffee and friendly people.
Sometimes the best places are hidden. They're not always the biggest or the busiest.
That's true. I think those are the places you remember the longest.
Excuse me. Your breakfast is ready.
That was fast.
One classic breakfast, one avocado toast, and one warm butter croissant with strawberry jam. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Everything looks wonderful.
The croissant smells amazing. I don't know if I should look at it or eat it immediately.
I think we both know the answer.
You're right. Let's eat while it's still warm.
Everything looks delicious. Let's eat before it gets cold.
I don't need to be told twice. These scrambled eggs are really good. They're soft and fluffy.
Try some of the avocado toast.
May I?
Of course. We're sharing the croissant anyway.
Wow, that's fresh. The tomatoes are sweet, and the bread is perfectly crispy.
Now let me try your breakfast.
Go ahead.
The eggs are excellent. I can see why people order this.
I think we made the right choices.
Definitely.
You know, I never realized how relaxing a coffee shop could be.
What do you mean?
Back home, I usually grab a coffee and leave. I never sit down.
Sometimes it's nice to slow down. Just enjoy your coffee. Watch people walk by. Take a break from your phone.
You're right. Look over there. That man has been reading the same book since we arrived.
And the woman by the window is drawing in a sketchbook.
I didn't even notice that.
Coffee shops are wonderful places for people watching.
People watching?
It means quietly watching people as they go about their day. It's interesting. You can imagine their stories.
I like that. Everyone here seems to have somewhere to go, but nobody looks rushed.
That's one thing I enjoy about traveling. Every city has its own rhythm.
Yesterday felt exciting. Today feels peaceful.
Both are part of a good trip.
So, what's the plan after breakfast?
I'd like to visit the botanical garden. It's one of the most beautiful places in the city.
That sounds great. Is it far from here?
Not too far. But we might need to ask someone for directions.
Really? I thought you knew the city very well.
I remember the general area. But cities change. And it's always okay to ask for help.
That's true. Besides, it gives us a chance to practice our English.
Exactly. Travel is one of the best classrooms.
I have a feeling today's adventure is just beginning.
I think you're right. Let's finish our coffee. Then we'll head out.
That was one of the best breakfasts I've had in a long time.
I'm glad you liked it. I had a feeling you would.
Before we leave, I want to check today's route on my phone.
Good idea. The botanical garden has several entrances.
That's strange. The map isn't loading.
Maybe the signal isn't very strong inside.
Let me try again. No, still nothing.
Why don't you ask if they have Wi-Fi?
Good idea. Excuse me, Emma.
Yes. How can I help you?
Could I have the Wi-Fi password, please?
Of course. The network is called Morning Brew Guest. The password is Fresh Coffee 2026. I'll write it down for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Let's see. Morning Brew Guest. Fresh Coffee 2026. Done. It still isn't working.
Did you type it correctly?
I think so.
Let me check. Andrew. There's a space in the network name. You missed it.
Seriously. That tiny space.
Sometimes tiny details matter.
Let's try again. Connected.
There you go.
Thanks. I would have kept trying for another 10 minutes.
Everything okay now?
Yes. Thank you. It was my mistake.
No problem. It happens all the time.
Now I can check the map. Okay. I found the botanical garden. It doesn't look very far.
Great. We'll walk there. If we get lost, we'll just ask someone.
Actually, I'm looking forward to that. It'll be good English practice.
That's the spirit. Every conversation is a chance to learn something new.
And every mistake teaches us something too.
Exactly. Now, shall we head out?
Absolutely. Our next adventure is waiting.
Well, I think we've finished everything.
Even the last crumb of the croissant.
I'm not surprised.
That breakfast was worth every bite.
And the coffee was excellent. I understand why this cafe is so popular.
I would definitely come back here. Excuse me, Emma. Could we have the bill, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right over. Here you are. Take your time.
Thank you. Let's see. Everything looks correct.
Would you like to pay by card or cash?
I'll use my card today.
All right. Next time, breakfast is my treat.
It's a deal. Emma, may I pay by card?
Certainly. You can tap your card here.
Done.
Payment approved. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the wonderful service.
Yes. Everything was perfect.
I'm so happy to hear that. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your visit to the botanical garden.
Thank you. We will.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Hope to see you again soon.
English tip of the day. When you're ordering food or drinks, it's more polite to say, "I like a latte, please." Or, "Could I have a cappuccino, please?" Instead of simply saying, "I want a latte." Using "I'd like" or "Could I have" sounds friendlier and more natural in everyday English. Let's hear 2 examples.
I'd like a cup of tea, please.
Could I have a cheese sandwich, please? Excellent. These are simple expressions you'll hear in cafes, restaurants, and bakeries all over the world. Try using them the next time you order food in English. Ready for our next adventure?
Absolutely. Let's go find that botanical garden.
And if we get lost?
We'll simply ask for directions.
Sounds like another English lesson is about to begin.
The weather is even nicer than it was this morning.
It really is. The sunshine feels warm, but it's not too hot. Perfect for a walk.
I'm glad we decided to come here early. The streets are becoming busier now.
I love mornings in a new city. Everything feels full of possibilities.
Look over there. There's a small flower shop.
The flowers are beautiful, and that little bakery next door smells wonderful.
We've only just finished breakfast.
I know, but somehow fresh bread always makes me hungry again.
Maybe we'll stop there another day. We still have many places to explore.
That's true. This trip is going by so quickly.
That's why it's important to enjoy each moment. Not just the famous places. Even simple moments like sitting in a cafe can become wonderful memories.
I think that's my favorite lesson from this trip so far. Slow down. Look around. Enjoy where you are. Let's check the map again.
Good idea.
According to the map, we should turn left here.
Are you sure? I remember turning right the last time I visited.
Maybe the map is taking us on a different route.
Let's walk a little farther. Maybe we'll see a sign.
I don't see any signs for the botanical garden. Do you?
No. Only signs for the subway station and the shopping district.
I think we might be lost.
Maybe just a little.
Should we keep walking?
We could. But asking someone would probably be faster.
You're right. And it's a great chance to practice speaking English.
Exactly. Travel isn't about knowing everything. It's about learning along the way.
Look, that man is standing by the information board. Maybe he can help us.
He looks friendly. Let's go ask him.
Okay, how should I start?
Just smile. And say, "Excuse me."
I think I can do that. Well, Andrew successfully asked for directions. Join us in the next episode of Easy English Daily as Aria and Andrew learn useful English expressions for finding their way around the city. Until then, keep practicing, keep listening, and remember, every conversation is another step toward speaking English with confidence. See you next time.